Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. And very stylish collection of hair dye. And many much more latest and trendy collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair. And so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. And trendy ideas of too short weave and curl on hair, curly hairstyle. Some ideas curly hairstyle in natural curly hair. And some ideas make curl with curler. And so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. With different ideas of undercut and shaved art. So beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut. Haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And cropped haircut. And trendy ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of base color. Many much more latest collection, trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta. And many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.